PyTorch in Artificial Intelligence. AI beginner means intermediate level. Introduction. Modern artificial intelligence systems rely heavily on deep learning models, especially neural networks. These models are used in many applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles. Building and training neural networks requires complex mathematical operations including matrix multiplication, gradient computation, backpropagation, optimization algorithms. To simplify these tasks, developers use deep learning frameworks. One of the most widely used frameworks today is PyTorch. PyTorch is a powerful and flexible framework used to develop machine learning and deep learning models efficiently. Understanding PyTorch is essential for learning modern AI development and deep learning research. What is PyTorch? PyTorch is an open-source machine learning and deep learning framework developed by Meta Platforms. It provides tools for building and training neural networks. In simple terms, PyTorch equals a software library that helps developers build and train AI models. Example concept. Dataset means PyTorch means neural network model means predictions. PyTorch is widely used in both research and production AI systems. Why PyTorch is important? Training deep learning models requires large-scale numerical computation. PyTorch simplifies this process by providing efficient tools for neural network creation, gradient calculation, GPU acceleration, model training. Example concept. Complex mathematics means PyTorch framework means AI model training. Because of its flexibility and ease of use, PyTorch has become extremely popular among researchers, machine learning engineers, AI developers. Key features of PyTorch. PyTorch provides several powerful features that simplify deep learning development. Dynamic computation graph. One of PyTorch's most important features is the dynamic computation graph. This means the model graph is built during runtime. Example concept. Model computation created dynamically during execution. Benefits include easier debugging, flexible model design, intuitive programming style. This makes PyTorch ideal for research and experimentation. Tensor operations. PyTorch uses tensors as its primary data structure. A tensor is a multi-dimensional array used for numerical computation. Examples include scalars, single numbers, vectors, 1D arrays, matrices, 2D arrays, higher dimensional arrays. Example concept. Image data means tensor representation. Tensors can run on CPU, GPU, automatic differentiation, autograd. PyTorch includes a feature called autograd. Autograd automatically computes gradients during training. Example concept. Prediction means loss means autograd calculates gradients. These gradients are used for backpropagation, weight updates, model optimization. This greatly simplifies neural network training. GPU acceleration. PyTorch supports GPU computing to accelerate deep learning training. Example concept. Large dataset means GPU processing means faster model training. This makes it possible to train large neural networks efficiently. PyTorch Neural Network Module. PyTorch provides the Torch NN module for building neural networks. Developers can easily define layers such as fully connected layers, convolutional layers, activation functions, dropout layers. Example concept. Define layers means build neural network means train model. Example PyTorch code. A simple neural network in PyTorch looks like this. Import torch. Import torch. NN as NN. Model equals NN. Sequential. NN. Linear. 784. 128. NN. ReLU. NN. Linear. 128. 10. This defines a neural network with 1 hidden layer. ReLU activation. Output layer with 10 classes. PyTorch training workflow. Training a model using PyTorch typically follows these steps. Prepare dataset. Down pointing arrow. Convert data into tensors. Down pointing arrow. Define neural network model. Down pointing arrow. Choose loss function. Down pointing arrow. Run forward pass. Down pointing arrow. Compute loss. Down pointing arrow. Back propagation. Down pointing arrow. Update model weights. This cycle repeats many times during training. PyTorch ecosystem. PyTorch includes several supporting tools. Torch Vision, a library for computer vision models and datasets. Applications include image classification, object detection, segmentation. Torch Text, a library for natural language processing tasks. Used in text classification, machine translation, language modeling. Torch Audio, a library for audio and speech processing. Used in speech recognition, sound classification. Real-world applications of PyTorch. PyTorch is used in many AI applications. Computer vision, image classification and object detection. Natural language processing, language models and chatbots. Healthcare, medical image analysis and disease detection. Robotics, perception systems for autonomous robots. Recommendation systems, personalized content and product recommendations. Advantages of PyTorch. PyTorch provides several advantages. Advantages include intuitive Python-based interface, dynamic computation graphs, strong support for research, powerful GPU acceleration, large developer community. Example concept. Flexible framework means faster AI development. Limitations of PyTorch. Despite its strengths, PyTorch also has some limitations. Challenges include production deployment can be complex. Large models require significant hardware resources. Training deep networks can take time. Example concept. Large AI models means high computational cost. However, improvements such as Torch Script and PyTorch Lightning have made production deployment easier. Concepts learned from PyTorch. Understanding PyTorch helps learners understand. Checkmark how neural networks are implemented. Checkmark how deep learning models are trained. Checkmark how gradients and backpropagation work. Checkmark how GPU acceleration speeds up AI training. Checkmark how real-world AI applications are built. PyTorch is one of the most important tools used in modern AI research and development. Simple definition. PyTorch, an open-source deep learning framework used to build, train, and deploy neural network models. Final summary. PyTorch is a powerful and flexible deep learning framework developed by Meta. It provides tools for building neural networks, performing tensor operations, computing gradients automatically, and training AI models efficiently. Because of its dynamic computation graphs and intuitive Python interface, PyTorch has become one of the most popular frameworks in modern AI research and development. Understanding PyTorch is essential for anyone working in machine learning, deep learning, or artificial intelligence engineering.